Hello and welcome to this review of the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro smartwatch. In this video, we will take an in-depth look at the features, design, and performance of this watch and discuss its pros and cons. Firstly, let's talk about the design of the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro. The watch has a smart and modern look with a black color finish that is perfect for everyday wear. It comes with a 1.69-inch color display that is large and vibrant, providing an immersive viewing experience. The watch has 50+ watch faces to choose from, and you can even customize your own watch face with your favorite photos. Moving on to the features, the Bip 3 Pro has a lot to offer. The watch is water resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming, and it comes with 4 satellite positioning systems to help track your movements with high precision. It supports 60+ sports modes, including walking, running, cycling, yoga, and strength training. With the watch's multi-sport tracking feature, you can get accurate data for all your favorite sports. One of the best features of the Bip 3 Pro is its health tracking capabilities. The watch can monitor your heart rate all day and even provide abnormal heart rate warnings. It can also measure blood oxygen saturation levels, track your stress levels, and monitor your sleep quality. Additionally, the watch can even record your menstrual period, making it a perfect device for women who want to keep track of their health. The battery life of the Bip 3 Pro is impressive, with up to 14 days of typical usage on a single charge. This makes it perfect for long trips or vacations where you don't want to worry about charging your watch. Now let's talk about some pros and cons of the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro. Pros: the watch has a smart and modern design and a large, vibrant display. The fitness tracking features are accurate and comprehensive, with support for 60+ sports modes. The watch is water resistant up to 50 meters, making it suitable for swimming. It has an impressive battery life of up to 14 days on a single charge. The watch is compatible with Strava and Google Fit. Cons: the design of the watch is not the most original, and it may not stand out in a crowd. Some users have reported heart rate inaccuracies with the watch. The watch's features can be overly simple and may not satisfy more advanced users. Overall, the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro is an excellent smartwatch that offers a range of features for a reasonable price. It has a smart and modern design, accurate fitness tracking features, and impressive health tracking capabilities. Although it may not be the most original watch on the market, it certainly provides value for money. However, some users have reported inaccuracies with the heart rate monitor, and the watch's features may be too simplistic for some users. If you're looking for a budget-friendly smartwatch that provides a range of features, the Amazfit Bip 3 Pro is certainly worth considering.